Oh god damn! A monkey can ride this scooter. What the hell is going on here? I'm moving! Oh, wait. No! If you wanna build your dream scooter, I've got links and discount codes to every scooter and part I would actually use on strikeguys.com. Link in the description. So, I have a problem. Every time I'm bored, I build stupid shit. And I am bored. So, I decided, what if I put a Vesk on the G2 Pro? Like, bring it back to life. And also a bigger motor. This thing is so sketchy, but it's fun. Let's get to work. So, this is the plan. We take the RCB, scooter, G2 Master, motor, and the cam, dual battery, and Vesk. But first we have to see if the Vesk works, so let's do that. Yeah, the RCB is not that stable. So like, I first planned to make the RCB a rocket, but like, it's not stable. So like, let's do it on the G2 Pro, but you know, this thing is not that stable either. It's gonna be fine. So first of all, I have to take this QS8 connector off. Or actually I don't. Wait, I can use another QS8 connector. This one should be good. Cut the other end. Nice. I'm gonna use... What the hell is going on here? Okay, now I'm gonna stick this in this kind of connector just for testing. But look how hot it is. I'm shining, brother. Or actually, I'ma just solder new wires to this one. Heat the soldering iron to 1 trillion degrees. Brother, the connector came out. This is why I hate XT60, bro. Okay, I found a perfect one. We don't need the anvil anymore. Nice. Now I gotta connect it to this wire. So which is positive, which is negative? Let's see. Nice. Let's connect the controller. Moment of truth. Let's see what happens. Nothing. So let me just switch the controller to always on with this switch right here. Just flip it. Look at that, bro. It's on. Let's put some phase wire connectors on it and let's test it on a motor. So I'm gonna cut this. And I'm gonna use these connectors. Let's see if they fit. Didn't check that. Oh, look at that. It's perfect, bro. It fits perfectly. So first connector. Oh my god, that's perfect. Yeah, I don't have a hydraulic clamp, so I'm gonna just use this. Oh yeah, it's on there. Okay. Next one. Oh boy, fits like a glove, brother. I didn't even check what size I need. I just bought random ones and they happen to fit perfectly, brother. Oh yeah, look at this, brother. This is perfect. Well, let's try hooking it up to a motor and see what happens. Actually, before that, I should put some heat shrink on them. Look at this, bro. This is perfect. So let's test it on the G2 Pro with this quick and dirty adapter. Yeah, don't worry about it. This is sketchy, I know. The Vesk is actually working. I didn't think it was gonna work, bro. Like, it was on the G2 Master and it was acting weird. But like, I couldn't record actually setting up the Vesk and stuff because I had to use my phone for that. The G2 Pro motor, like, it's fine, but you know, the G2 Master motor is better. So let's put it on. Put the motor in the casing. Let's close it. Oh yeah. Yeah, so the motor doesn't really fit, but like, it will fit if I flip the shock upside down. Yeah, that turned out to be way harder than I thought. I spent like 2 hours getting this thing in the right shape, so the shock can fit upside down. Bro, it's almost midnight, bro. Pitch black outside. God damn. Well, let's put this thing back together and see if it fits. Oh yeah. Look at that, brother. Fits perfectly, bro. God damn. Well, let's put it back together and see if the motor fits now. Before putting it back together, let's also make the suspension stiffer. Let's mount this back on the scooter. So this thing just goes in here like this. Also, make sure you don't forget the little bolts on the inside. These bolts are here to make sure your screws won't unscrew. Just put them on, because if these screws unscrew while you're riding your scooter, you are cooked. Nice. Now let's get the swing arms on. First of all, the suspension. Nice. Now the swing arms. Please fit, bro. Oh, that's so close. Oh my god, look at this, bro. There's less than a millimeter of space in there, brother. But it fits, bro. Like, look. It's fully in. Less than a millimeter, brother. But it's not touching, look. Okay, now we got another problem. I can't fit the brake disc in here because it will hit these screws from the brake caliper mount. But I can fix this by spacing this swing arm a little out, so there will be more space in there. So I spent another 1 hour making this custom washer to fit, because of course I don't want to buy the right one. And look at that. Like a glove. It's just I gotta put it on the other side, not this side. Yeah, that don't look too good. If I don't see it, it's gonna be fine. The washer goes in here, and then the swing arm. Look at that, bro. There's more space in there. I think it needs a little more though. Let's make another washer. The second washer is done. Let's see how it fits now. I mean, it kind of fits. I should try removing this screw right here, like this one. Like a glove. Let's put the brake disc on this motor and see how it looks. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh my god, that's perfect. Look how much space is in there. I spent a million years making these custom washers to fit in here. Well, now it's time to solder the phase wire connectors on there. So I'ma take the ones from this old motor. I'ma just put them on the new... It's falling. I'ma just put them on the new motor. I'ma put some heat shrink on them. I borrowed the bolts from the G2 Master because I don't have these kind of bolt around. Now I gotta connect the controller to the motor. Yeah, I gotta make this adapter shorter. Yeah, this is 100% safe, don't worry about it. Now I just gotta hook up the throttle and it's pretty much done. We got the throttle connected. We got the VESC settings done. Check this out. So fast it starts rubbing on the suspension. Holy shit. I'ma install the grips from the OG Motus. Nice. No brakes though. Oh boy, we're riding the G2 Pro. It's not fully charged for now though. So you might wonder, how am I braking? Like, I can brake, look. My throttle is also acting like an e-brake throttle. Yeah, but I don't have a brake on my scooter. How fast am I going? Oh shit! 60! Bro, on 48 volts! And the battery has only 47 volts for now. Like, it's not fully charged. It's not even half, bro. Bro, god damn! I had a death wobble. Yeah, torque is trash because the motor is in delta. That's why I got that much speed. But bro, 63 on half battery. That's crazy. I am moving, brother. And look, I'm braking. Bro, I got the simplest handlebars ever, bro. I just got grips and a throttle, that's all. I made the G2 Pro much faster than stock. Like, speed-wise, this thing gaps up G2 Max. In terms of speed, it's as fast as a stock G2 Master. Crazy. And it's on the stock battery right now. And the battery is not even charged. Oh boy, I'm trusting this e-brake with my life, brother. This looks so simple. Like a monkey can ride this scooter. To ride this scooter, you just need one finger. Oh lord. Bro, scooter is squeaking. Yeah, I can't really wheelie this. It doesn't have enough torque. I mean, it will have torque if I put dual battery on it. Dual battery on the G2 Pro. This thing is gonna pull. It's probably gonna pull 70 kilometers per hour fully charged, bro. Bro, it's so hot outside. Right now, it's good. But like, it's so hot outside. I worked on the G2 Pro in like 40 degrees weather. I'm braking with my foot, just sliding across the ground. Imagine doing that. But what if I just make it so that to brake you just You push on the fender like those kick scooters. Just step on the fender and it stops the wheel. Oh hell nah. Did I burn my tire? No, I didn't. Yeah, small issue. I can't turn it off because to turn it off you have to unplug the battery. What the hell is going on here, brother? Boing, 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 boing. This suspension is so bouncy. Damn, brother. I'm carrying bros Doritos because he doesn't have any more space in his scooter transportation device. Scooter station. I hope this bag of Doritos won't fall out. Oh, I bet my GoPro can see everything, brother. My GoPro hates low light. Oh yeah, it climbs. Oh, it climbs. Oh no, this is the throttle that gets stuck. Hold on, can I make it get stuck? So I have cruise control. Now it doesn't get stuck. No, it only gets stuck when I don't want it to get stuck. Look, it's stuck now. Yo, I got cruise control. My throttle is stuck. Look. Okay, I got cruise control. Oh, it got unstuck because of the bump. Oh shit, I'm moving. I'm moving. Oh, brake. God damn. Hey, G2 Pro. Flying in a road I can't see. Definitely safe. Oh, shit. No. Bro, my brake was not enough. Oh my days, this thing is wobbling, brother. 58, damn. But this scooter feels so small. I mean, it is small. I can definitely see my speed. 25, officer. I'm going 25. Oh boy, this is not stable. I am going pretty fast though. Look, the G2 Pro is so small I can fit through tight spaces. Woo! God damn. Bro, I can't believe I was legit riding this scooter like every day. Like this was my main scooter before I got the G2 Master. It's fast enough, but like it's not stable, bro. Oh, the ambulance. I'm gonna need it soon. Hopefully not. Oh yeah, taking the shortcut. What the hell? Do I have a flat tire? Oh man, I do have a flat tire in the front. Well, that sucks. I'm not fixing it. Like my scooter was feeling a little weird. Hey, look at this, bro. Bro. I got a flat tire. In this video I made the G2 Pro fly, bro. Like it gets stock G2 Master speed on 48 volts. It's pretty crazy. Yeah, it's time to get to crazier projects though. Stay tuned. Oh!